Good morning, beautiful people. It's your boy Terrence Gibson here with another awesome intelligence prime capital video. This video is going to be quick because I got some things I got to do today. We're just going to run through the excitement real fast, and then we're just going to call this video number 20, day 24. Day 24. So you can see the blue account is growing because that means my people on my front line are invested. That's where the blue account comes from throughout the week. My front line investing. So on Friday night, Saturday morning, they're going to take what we made so far out of here, everybody's accounts throughout the whole company, and they're going to put it all in their blue account. And that's also right, not too long, when the money comes back to the blue account, that's when we get paid for all our levels. So for all our levels of people that we have Friday night, we get paid for all the levels within the trading platform. That's when all this beautiful income that's growing. So you see, we're only 22,000 away from hitting that 100,000. Boy, whew. Well, we got what, 4 more days? 4 more days. Oh man, it's been growing like crazy. So I know Friday is going to take a hit, and then when people reinvest, and when that's what it is. They see the money growing, and then they reinvest because they see it growing, and then that's just keeps growing, and then more people keep joining. Because this people right there, these are my people's people. So you can see my people are putting more money in, and then my people's people are putting more money in. So that's going to keep on growing. I just wanted to keep that there so you can start seeing exactly what type of income that you actually can get just by building a team. So whatever I'm making here is going to go out. So far this week, we have done, let me see, let's go to subscription. I thought I had it open, but I got my thing at the top, so I can't see nothing. So remember, you go here to find your bots. Subscription, click on Myfxbook. We had 349. We did 1.29% last night. We up to 18% this month. 18%, and it's the 13 people. The 13, 18%. We didn't been beat anything that you could think of. We beat Dave Ramsey out. We beat everything out. Real estate, anything you can think of, we didn't beat it out already at 18%. What property are you invested in that you're making 18% back a month? Let me know. Without being a slumlord. I'm listening. Yeah, it doesn't happen. And without all the money you got to kick back. There's no kicking back. We get our money. It's in our pocket. That's what I'm saying. Next time you want to put $100,000 into a property, put $100,000 into something that's going to pay you $40,000 a month. Imagine that. $40,000. You don't make that off real estate for something you could pay $100,000 for. No, you got to figure ways to even rent that thing. So just letting you know, this is the ultimate investment. If you're a real estate investor, any type of investor, if you buy stocks and all that, let's just leave all that stuff alone and start getting into where your money is growing. Because you can take that money, this money that you make, even if you don't want to do it the whole time, just take what you make and put it into something else. Or put it in here first and then take this out and go buy the stocks. Because still you have this still growing and you have the stocks. And you're even richer. I mean, ain't that what we do? We invest money to make money on all type of areas. So that's what we do. So we see the Myfxbook, 18% for the month, 5.57% for the week so far. So we got one more trade tonight. So if it does 1.29, we'll be at 6.8%. If it does more than 1.5, then we'll be at 7-something%. Well, whichever it is what it is. So it's still excellent, whatever it's going to be. But we're up 18% for the month. That's crazy, people. Crazy. So yeah. So 349.11. We're just killing it. We're killing it. All right, let me see. Let's see if anything might have. No, that's right, because we only trade at night, so nothing is going to change. It's not like the other ones. And you see all the positives. So we haven't lost a trade yet this year. They've lost a few trades, but they've never had an unprofitable day. But what you're going to lose trades. It might take 4 trades on the days that it takes the loss trade. But we haven't seen a loss yet, so I wouldn't know what to tell you. And we're on day 24. because we joined on the 20th of December, and now that it's January 13th. And then had a birthday and everything up in this month. So went over here, showed you the dashboard, showed that it's growing. You know the team is growing. Well, the team is growing. I've been at 34 for a little while. But the people that are in there are starting to fund. Like I was saying, this is a perfect number for people to start going in, because once they go from 1,000 to 2,000 to 3,000 to 4,000, as they grow, you grow. As they grow, you grow. And you can tell that all my 34 don't have 1,000 in, because when you look at if they all had 1,000 in, this would be 34,000. Or it'd actually be more than that by now, because they didn't group. So it's letting you know that people are starting to see it work. Testing, with a lot of people in here that have never done nothing like this, and they're loving life. They're calling, they're just bragging, they're just, not like, nothing too crazy. It's just like, yo, they never been part of that like this. And everybody think things are scams, which, there's a lot of scammers out there, which is the truth. But when you got a real thing, you stick with the real thing. All right, people, 1.29%, 5.57 for the week. Hey, I'm gonna tell you. I will tell you, life is good. Life is real good. Life is real good over here. And then you can see the accuracy of Myfxbook. Myfxbook does not work for the company, so they only promote or show what the company is actually doing. They only show what the company is actually doing. All right, people? All right. So it's your boy, Terrence Gibson. This was a quick video for day 24. I'm going to post it, and I am out. Love you. Rock that bell, like, subscribe, join my team. Let's get busy. Let's get busy, people. God bless.